Good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel for today. Today we are going to be talking about Facebook, how to create a professional Facebook business page in 2024. The reason why I came to Germany, many of you may say, I'm talking about Facebook. Why did I came to Germany? Yes, I want to show you something that you need to know as someone that is just starting business at fresh. So now, let's say I want to create a Facebook page and I don't know the name I'm going to use. Oh, my name is Adebayo Johnson, and maybe I want to deal with furniture. I can tell this Germany how to generate a good business name for me that I'm going to use. So I'm going to generate the name. I'll type my name. I'll tell AI to generate a good business name that fits this business. Let me put I want to a bakery cake. So my name is Adebayo Johnson. So please generate a simple business name for the business. So particularly I'm creating this video for my students, and if you are lucky watching this video, I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end because you are going to learn a lot from this video. So we can see now business name idea for Adebayo Johnson Bakery. So this is Gemini app developed by Google that is giving us a good business name. The first one is AJ Bakeries, Adebayo's Bakes, Johnson Bakes, descriptive, Adebayo Bakeries and Cake. I love this one. Or we can see another one now, Johnson Sweet Treats, Abiodun Bread and Butter. So we can see them now. It depends on the one that you want to pick. So it depends on the one that you want to pick. So let's say I want to use. Okay, I'm gonna pick. This one. So let's say we pick this one. So this is the name we are going to use to create our Facebook page. But before we create our Facebook page, we need to have a logo. So that's one we call it branding. You need to have a brand, you need to have a logo. You need to have a logo for your business. So for you to create a logo, you can come to Canva, www.canva.com. I'm already in Canva. So this is my Canva account. This is my Canva account. I'll just search for logo. I'll search for logo. Let me search for cake logo. So I'll search for it. Just click on enter, and this Canva app is an app, is a website whereby you can design with unlimited template for your business, for your social media posts and any other thing that you want to design. Now these are cakes logo. I can easily edit any of these to fit my business. So let's say, let me check for one that I really like. Okay, I'm going to pick anyone from this plate because for the purpose of this class I will just pick anyone at the top. So let me just pick this one. So your own business may not be cake, may not be baking, but you are going to decide for the logo that suits your business. So we edit this now, and then we go to the next step of this tutorial, which is to create a Facebook page. So the name we have is Adebayo Cake. I'm going to paste it here and we can see it clearly now. So I will edit this logo. So Adebayo Bakery and Cake. Or we can as well play around your logo and edit it the way you want till it fits your taste. You know how much you use this cake. So I have it now. Can bring it down. So you have to ungroup this object. The object is group. So let me say bakery and cake. Bakery and catering. I'm not doing catering. Cakes. I'll just put cakes here. So this is how you're gonna do it before you have a Facebook page. These are the things you need to have. You need to have on ground. You need to have your Facebook logo or your business logo. You need to have it on ground because those are the things that Facebook will request from you. Those are the things they will request from you. So let's say this is our logo. You can make it bold. can make it, or even you can change this one, come to element and search for cake. Come to element of Canva and search for cake. You are going to click on graphics so that you can see cake graphics that you can use for your logo. So there are many cakes here. So if you like any of these, you can pick them and add them to your logo. And just pick. Let's find one to pick. So let's say I like this one. What I will do is I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to put it here. So this, let's say this is our logo. The same is applicable to this one, but I prefer using the first logo because it's okay. It's very good. So you just copy this and bring it down. But this logo is having two colors. I just highlight this. Highlight, copy and paste it here. So we have it now. So you can now download this. I'm going to download this. Download it to your laptop or on your phone. Once you download this is the second step. So once you download our logo now, we are now going to our Facebook to create a Facebook page. So this is my Facebook here. Don't forget, before you can create a Facebook page, you must have a Facebook account. So once you have a Facebook account, you click on the three dot panel shown on your phone. It's not showing like this, but it's showing like the task like a navigation bar on your Facebook. So this is what I'm having here. I will click on it, and I will click on pages. You see the pages here. Once you click on pages, you can see you can now create a page. I'm going to paste the name here. The name we have on Germany, I'm going to paste it here. So this is the name we are having on Germany. I'm just going to paste it here now. Yes, paste it. So we have it. So the category is bakery. Bakery, do you have bakery? You have catering. So you can just put it. You can put your category. You can put your bar. Let's just say you should write a simple bar. Write a simple and short bar for this. So this is our bar for our business page on Facebook. So I'm going to paste it here. Wow, good. So the next one, we click on next. If you are creating it on your mobile phone, this is how it will also be showing. Just need to fill in all the information. So let me extract my picture that I download for Canva, so that I can upload it on my page. So now let's check if our page is ready. Wow. So I'm going to put a website. If you have a website, you can put it. You don't have, just put in your phone number, select your country code. Me, I'm in Nigeria for now, so I will select Nigeria and put my phone number there. Put your phone number and make sure you are putting the correct information. If you have an email address, put in your email address. I have an email, so I'll put my email address. Just put all your complete information as you have it. Make sure you fill in everything in this color so that Facebook will approve your account. You put your address. Here. I'm always open. Lagos, Nigeria, yes. I put always open. Then you click on next. The next thing I'm going to do now is to upload our logo. I'm going to put our logo, our cover page. No thanks. So remember, we have created a logo. So that's one of the reasons why I say creating a logo before we proceed is very, very important. So now I'll open it, put my logo. This is our logo. I'll put it on my profile picture. So wow, beautiful. So the next thing is our cover picture. Cover picture, I'm going to put it. This is the black that we download. I'm going to put it here. Wow, very fitted and it makes sense. So now we add action button. Action button, this is the default button that you use on your page whereby people can use to contact you. We have WhatsApp button, customize, try it. Yes, we have this book now. You can use it for a booking on your website. This sign up, you can use it for a sign up form on your website. If you're a restaurant or you sell food or any other thing, you can use this one. If you have a shop page, if you are running an online store, you can use this one. If you have a ticket booking program, you can use this one. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use send message so that people can message me on my Facebook page. Or if you have a WhatsApp business, you can use this one. You can use call now, send us email or contact. So I'm going to leave that send message, and that is fine and okay by me. You can choose any of your choice. I'll just click next. Yes, send me message. Save it. So I will save it and click on next. So you can see that our page health is still fair now. When we go to the next step, we are going to see that it's green. Now we have that green color. Now this WhatsApp, I don't have WhatsApp number now because I'm using my WhatsApp number for another business page. So I'm not going to connect it. You guys should connect your own. I'll just click on skip. Invite friends. You are going to invite your friend to this page. I'm not going to invite my friends, but you are going to invite your friends to be followers of this page. It's very, very important so that you can start having followers on your page. Okay, let me just invite them. Let me invite them. I have about 1062 friends, so I'm inviting all of them in this group. So now I will click next. So now page notification your profile. Yes, marketing and promotion email about your page. Just turn everything on and click next. So the next thing you're gonna do is to fill your profile and see if it's okay by you. If it's needs some other editings, you can work on it. Now you can see that our page, the green bar, is not yet full. So what you need to do, you can take it all around. So they will show you how you can switch your page, how you can post on your page. This is how you can switch to your normal profile. Next, this is how you can search for something on your page. Next, this is how you can go home. So done. Now, the first thing to do is to create a welcome post. Then link your WhatsApp account and connect your Instagram account. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that, but you can easily do that on your mobile phone or on your laptop. So let's write a welcome post. I'll write a welcome post so that people can know that yes, this is a business. So welcome to my page. Welcome to my page. I specialize in making cakes available for your events at a good price. So let me just say this is what is on my mind. So I'll just put it. So if you have a picture, you can post a picture and put your location. But I don't have anything now, I'm just posting. I'll just do a post. So we have our post now. So you can invite your friend, link your page, and that is all. So the last thing we are going to do today, you can see that this is our page link now, and this is not professional. We are going to change this to our normal name so that when you type www.facebook.com/Adebayo Bakeries and Cake, that's what we are going to do now. I'm going to show you how you can do that. You click on setting. When you click on setting, you scroll down to page setup on your page. The same thing also applicable to your mobile phone. And you click on view name so that you can edit your username. I'll just click on edit. I'll click on edit so that I can have a username for my Facebook page. I will paste my name here. Just make sure that you join everything together. I will move the S that is there so that Facebook can take it. Yeah, S is not there now. I'll just click on save changes and Facebook will save it. Oh, I don't know my password. I don't know my password. I don't know my password. Sorry, I'm trying to change my Facebook password. Oh, so you can, once you just put your password, once you put your password, it's going to go. They have logged me out because I want to change my password. So let me quickly reset that so that we can go to the next step. Hey guys, watch the video. I'm going to send another part 2 of this video. So I'm going to send the part 2 of this video, how we can make use of Facebook ad, how we can reset our account properly, post on Facebook, how we can set audience. I'm going to play the part 2 of this video. So watch this video, create your Facebook account, create your Facebook page, set it up properly, and get back to me. If you have any question, kindly drop in the comment section. I'm going to attend to it. You are welcome.